This particular time we are having some challenges. Like now, I've just told you that the numbers have increased, and then now our theater is very busy. You realize that the strikes are hitting from the other side, so here it is the rescue for those people who are not getting the services on the other side. At the same time, the government now has not been providing well equipping the hospital well with the NHIF funds. You know, this facility is much more depending on the NHIF funds. But if you realize, if the government delays, we cannot be able even to have the quality services because of that, or lack of the funds. We also have our ambulances functioning. We refer cases to where they are supposed to be referred, because we are now well equipped with our ambulance. The cases are being referred in time, and then the patients receive quality services because they are reaching to where they are supposed to reach at the same time. All diseases from the surgical, medical cases are well handled in this facility. We have well qualified staffs, starting from the consultants all downwards up to the nurse aides. We all provide all the services that as they are being required, including the surgical cases which are taking place in theater. We usually do all the operations, starting from the minor surgeries to major surgeries. We also provide services to maternity. That is from those people who are giving birth normally, and those who are undergoing through surgery, that is cesarean section. We also provide all our services are being catered for by either by the means of the NHIF or other means.
During this time that there is a slow move from the public hospitals, we are having many patients. The turn-up is up. They are coming of Orokada, and we are giving them services because we are well equipped. We have our consultants, we have orthopedic, we have general surgery, we have gynecologists, we have dental, and the rest. All a cut of staff, we have them.